Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will make, you can say that, the simplest game, okay? It is not just a proper game, it is just an event, okay? That can be inside any game, okay? It just comprised of like a little small car. We will like to move it with the help of our keys, that is keyboard keys, and then we will try to make or create an obstacle and then crash in a very small event like this, okay? So for it we will go and we will create a project. So this is Visual CH, Windows Forms application. Here we will write car underscore game, okay? This is the name of our project, okay? So we click on OK. This is our working window. This is our working window. Okay, now we will try to make it a little bit big. Why it is so? Because there may be some road on the, okay, so this is okay. Now it is big enough. It is big enough for us. Now we will take one push button. Okay, one push button and 3 picture boxes. This is first picture box, second and third, okay? So picture box 1, this is our picture box 1, okay? Okay, so we will now we will, okay, now I have stored some images, okay? You can find the link in the description. You can download all the images, okay? So you need to go to picture box 1 properties and click on background image, okay, like this. Okay, then local source, then click on import, and you should have to go where you have downloaded the pictures, okay? You need to click on a respective picture. So we will go like this, see, then we will go for thumbnails and then car game, okay? So these are our so this will be the folder, okay? So click on OK and open. Okay, and now this is our road, okay? This is our small road which is used for to, okay, so we can write it like this. Okay, now this is our road, okay? You can see after running, this is picture box 1 actually. Picture box 2 will be like here it must be on some location, okay? But okay, we will go for its background image first, and then we will see all sort of locations and all these things, okay? So click on OK. Okay, this is our obstacle, and in third we will go and we will write local resource import and this thing, okay, game over option, okay? And okay, but we need to make it like we can say its visibility must be set to false, okay, so that no one can see it. Visible true, okay, and we need to make it false. Now okay, now this is our push button. We will double click on it, okay, and it will lead us to the callback of that particular push button, okay, like this. You can see, and all usually all the code will be written inside these, okay, inside these brackets, okay. Okay, but first you will see that okay, now this is the thing. Okay, now we will run it out and you will see that game over will not display, okay, because its visibility is set to false, okay. Now what we will do, now we will go to push button 1. You can see this thunder sign on the right hand side. We will go and we will check for key press event, okay. Okay, just key press event, and it will lead us to the callback of that key press, okay, and all the code will be written inside this, okay. This is the whole code. You can see libraries on the top, okay, and car game, and this is auto generated code, okay, default code, okay. Now we will write our own code inside this button 1 underscore key press, okay. Now we have code here, okay. Now int a and int b and int v is equal to 0. These are our three variables which we want to put in the code. So we will declare them as global variables, okay, and they will be inside this partial class form1, okay. So now rest of the code, now this is the code which is actually for what we can say copy. Let me also explain, okay, a little bit code for you. Now this is the thing, you can see that if this if condition, when the button when the key will be pressed on the keyboard, control will check, that is if e dot key character is equal to character keys dot w. If the w button has been pressed, then all these statements within these two brackets will get executed. Again I am repeating, if condition will check that e dot key character is equal to character keys dot w. So it will check that either w has been pressed or not, okay, and then these things will get played, okay. And one more thing, that this is the sound motorcycle and this, okay, so this is the sound dot wave file, okay, this is the dot wave file, and I will give you the link of that file inside what is called as the description, and you can download it, and you should have to put the link of this file, okay, where you have located in your PC, okay, not this one, okay. So dot wave is the extension of this file, system.media.sound player, okay, so player.play, okay. So we will run it out. Press the push button, then press caps lock and W, press W, okay, you can see, okay, you can hear the voice, okay. Now, okay, and on E it is used for to stop, okay, it is used for to stop, okay. Now I will check that either it is working or not, okay. Wait, let me check it out as well, okay. I'm running it out. Yes, it is working, and E is for end, start and end, okay. So whenever you will press the W, it will start, okay, player.play, and the sound will play, and when you will press the capital E, okay, it is not going to work anymore, okay. So this is our e dot key character and all these, okay. Now we will go for our okay, one more thing, we have to go to form1. We have to take one panel, okay. So we have to take one panel, okay. This is our panel 1, okay. We have to make it very small, like this and this, and then we will place it in the on the road, and this is our actually car, actually. Background image, okay. Wait, let me see what is the problem here, okay. Yeah, this is, so we will go for background image, okay. So this is, wait, let me go, this is our, okay. So okay, wait, so go, okay. Here we can write it, double click on the panel, and we can write panel 1, oh sorry, with small panel 1, Okay, wait, also, okay, wait, let me see what's the problem here. Okay, wait, because we can change. Okay, now its behavior, drag drop and mouse and font change and visible data, focus, key, mouse, dock change. Okay, all these are the functions of this. Okay, so okay, now this is the background image. We will go and we will import this car final 4. Okay, this is our car. Okay, which needs to be here. Okay, now okay, where we have expected dot character and this side. Okay, here. Okay, let me delete it out. Okay, now we run it out, and now I will press A. Okay, first you need to press caps lock. Okay, then on push button, then press tab. The control will come to push button. Okay, and press A. Okay, still we haven't like added the control for A. Okay, so we will go and we will write it if B is equal to 513 and this. Okay, okay, so this is our first. Okay, if we will copy it out, okay, so we will go here and we will write player dot stop. So this is e dot character, so it will move it out. Now control A, okay, caps lock. Now you can see that our car is moving, at least it is moving. Okay, it is forward moving but moving. Okay, now it is being controlled with A, S, W and X. Okay, A, S, D and X. Okay, W is for start sound, and so this is code for A. Okay, now we will go for our S. Okay, keys dot S. Okay, so copy it out, paste it under the character dot A. Okay, this is okay. Now we will see that either it is going to work or not. Okay, yes, it is going like forward with A, and S is going for left. Okay, and for right we will go and copy our code. If e dot character, I am also giving, I will also take the code in the what's called as in the description. Okay, so you can download it out. For D, this is for right. Okay, that if somebody used to press D, it will go on the right side. Okay, so one more thing that and control. Okay, dot X. Okay, for X it will move downward. Okay, so this is, and B is for obstacle, that when it used to be like in between B513 and A526, the car will get destroyed. Okay, so this portion is for destruction. Okay, and all these things. So this thing. Okay, now I will go and I will press first tab button, then caps lock. Okay, and then you can see that again caps lock, and now our car is moving backward with X key, forward with A key, S left side, and D. Okay, this thing. So S and D. Okay, now we will see that where our car used to be destroyed. Okay, so A. Okay, wait, there is a condition that when it is met 499 to 526. Okay, and a is less than, okay, wait, let me see. It is, a is actually x-axis and b is y-axis. A is x-axis and b is y-axis. Okay, so a must be like okay, what is the location of this car now? A location 588 and location 5, if it is 588 5 this thing. Okay, so there is, okay, 523 and like this 523, and a must be, okay, wait, let me see. A is this corner, so it is 660 and 641. 660 and 641. Okay, so these are the two corners, 660 and 641. And what about 13? This B, this condition, it must be like okay, 530. I think 530 will work okay for us. This is also near 530, so it's 530. Okay, so we have to write 530 here. 530. Okay, so now this and this, and now, okay, so when we write like this, wait, let me check all the points. Okay, wait, let me, okay, so when our car will be like this, whenever our car will be like this, it is going to destroy, okay, this thing. Okay, so wait, let me check it out. What is the problem here? Okay, wait, let me check it out. What is the problem? When A is 630 and 530. Okay, first we will check with just 530. Okay, let's leave these things out. B is equal to 530. Okay, so now I will check. What I need to check is the console window. Okay, that either okay, so it is going to this like, and so B is, okay, where to B must be like this, 635. Okay, 635 must be destruction point. Okay, 635 must be destruction point, and what will be the, and A, sorry, and A must be, sorry, this one, and A must be like wait, let me check. Okay, this point, and wait, let me check the point, this, so 641, okay, sorry, 530 and 601, 530 and 601. Okay, so 601 and 530. Okay, it must be less than this. Okay, greater than this and less than this. Okay, so Okay, now this is in condition. Okay, so now we will check that either our car. Okay, now, okay, so it will be like this. Okay, it is moving properly, and when it will hit the obstacle, it will, okay, wait, let me check it out. Yes, now you can see that our car has been hit, and okay, now it has been under blast. Okay, so this is a very simple event of a game. Okay, I just want to make it out, but this thing is not going to work. Why it is like that? Blast.png and okay, and picture box 3 dot visible. Oh, it is picture box 2 dot visible. Okay, picture box 3 it is, and it is picture box 2. Okay, so picture box 2 dot visible is equal to true. Okay, okay, now we will write it out like this with press EA, and it is going like this and this, and then our game is over. So in this way you can make a very easy game. Okay, very easy game. You can create certain other instances for it. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.